All right, today we're going to learn this fortified wine. I mean, that is the basically known as a desert wine. Before that, I'd like to wish everybody a very, very happy Diwali. Remember one thing, this is going to be the best Diwali of your life because after this आपके लाइफ में आपको जॉब मिल जाएगा या तो फिर आप आईएचएम ग्वालियर में ज्वाइन कर लोगे नेक्स्ट दिवाली के टाइम पे. So you might not get the time to enjoy the holiday or enjoy this Diwali. This is the best Diwali if you have ever enjoyed in your life. So please, I would like to request everybody, stay with your family, get the best out of it, and take some break from Microsoft Teams, Zooms, and your Google Meet, and enjoy this Diwali and gain some oxygen. All right. So let's start the topic for the day. It's fortified wine. That's the topic we are going to start now. Yeah. So as you can see here, this is the definition of fortified wine. We all know that when the wine is fermenting, at the same time, if you add some grape spirit to that, it will turn into the fermentation will get stopped, and you will get a wine where the yeast will not able to convert the entire sugar into an alcohol, and generally the liquid turned into a sweet in nature. That's called fortified wine. Now we come to the definition that fortified wine is a type which is made by the addition of your grape spirit. Now, grape spirit, we all know there is a brandy. So brandy we can add to get this thing, I mean, like to get a proper fermentation. But abhi jo sabse important question hai wo ye कि sir then why there is a grape spirit? अब आपको मैं एक सिंपल सा एग्जांपल दूंगा. If you try to drink a whiskey with the cranberry with the grape juice, मतलब मैं grape juice normal grapes की बात नहीं करता. आप you go to the market and you buy a real grape juice. Okay, रियल का आप ग्रेप जूस लेके आइए और उसको आप वाइन के अंदर विस्की के अंदर मिक्स करके पीजिए. व्हाट यू विल फील इट इज अ वेरी वेरी पुअर क्वालिटी, एक सड़ा हुआ ग्रेप जूस आपको दिखेगा उसमें. So that's the reason it is not advisable to add brandy, to add beer, vodka, or gin, because it's got a smell and they got a smoky flavor. Wine is hardly you find wine is smoky in nature. Wine has got the flavors of different kind of fruits. That is why it has been suggested that always do it with a grape spirit. लेकिन आप whiskey add करोगे तब भी fermentation बंद होगा, तब भी वो fortified wine ही होगा. When you come to the factor of your flavors and taste, that time it will be very, uh, very pale and straw to eat this thing. Okay. Now, once you add an alcohol, obviously the alcohol percentage will increase. That is the 22%. These are very much sweet wine. इसलिए कहा जाता है कि fortified wines are also known as a digestive. Now, what is digestive? A wine or an alcohol which is drunk after the meal. Okay. Now, please understand one very simple aspect that why people eat sweets after the dessert. So let's take an example. कल मैं एक दिवाली का हमारा एक छोटा सा get together था DD Nagar में. So I went and I had a heavy meal. I had a rumali roti. I had ghosh rogan josh. I had a paneer butter masala. Then also I had a bajre ki roti. It was a terrible meal. मतलब I didn't had a lunch. I didn't had a lunch throughout the day. So I ate like anything. But you know, इतना कुछ खाने के बाद ना पेट में थोड़ा सा I feel that my stomach was slightly burning because you know when you take those heavy food, bajre ki roti, ghosh rogan josh, your stomach is feeling very uh, burning. So what I did at that time, the where the gathering was happening, उन लोगों ने एक आइसक्रीम लेके आया था, वैनिला आइसक्रीम. आई हैड दैट वैनिला आइसक्रीम. द मोमेंट आई हैड द वैनिला आइसक्रीम, मेरा वो जो डाइजेशन है वो डाइजेशन नहीं हुआ, बट माय स्टमक वाज स्लाइटली कूल डाउन. यू नो क्या होता है कि स्टमक, हमारी जो स्टमक है दैट इज अ मशीन. इट्स वर्क्स लाइक अ मशीन. You eat, it start to digest and give you the powers and all everything. So वो डाइजेस्ट करते 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 वो थक गया है, अब उसके पास डाइजेशन के लिए पावर नहीं है. तो उसको आपको कुछ ऐसा देना होगा काम करने के बाद ताकि वो पी के या फिर खा के शांत हो जाए थोड़ा सा, मेंटली एंड फिजिकली. This is the reason. This is the reason behind we add. I mean, we use this fortified wine concept. Okay, we drink fortified wine or wines like sherry after the meal. This is the biggest reason behind this. Now, what will happen in that case? That the sugar quality obviously will increase, and that is why this fortified wines are also known as a digestive. Okay, European Union (EU) defined this wines as a liqueur wine or vin de liqueur or vin de liqueur. You know why it is called liqueur wine? Because we all know that liqueur is something where there is a spirit and where there is a herbs you add and then you get the actual liqueur. So basically, this is known as, let's take an example that liqueur is something that comes from the we all know that if you add some wine, I mean like uh, liqueur and liquor में बहुत difference होता है. Liquor is a larger aspect, liqueur is a smaller aspect where you add a spirit के साथ आप herbs and spices add करते हो, then it is turned into a liqueur. But here the concept is completely different because you know what is happening here, that it is a sweeter version. That's why it's known as a liqueur. It's liqueur wine and also known as a vin de liqueur. Okay, these are your several types of fortified wine which is available on this planet. There is something called Portugal, P for Portugal, P for Port, S for Sherry, S for Spain, M for Madeira, Muscat, Vermouth, and Marsala. All of these are very, very sweet wine from the different parts of the world. Okay. Marsala is also known as a chef's fortified wine because it's used for the cooking purposes. Okay, roasted chicken, roasted leg of lamb, all these purposes it has been used. Okay. We come to the first fortified wine, that's sherry. Sherry is from Spain. So S for sherry, S for Spain. Sherry comes from a district called Jerez. एक छोटा सा गांव है, एक शहर है, डिस्ट्रिक्ट है, जहां से वो आता है. So once again the same example, like ग्वालियर हमारे पास है. ग्वालियर को अगर हम जेरेज मान लेते हैं तो उसके अंदर you got all this sherry wine region. तो ग्वालियर में you got Murar, you got DD Nagar, and you also got कंपू. तो ना मोरार, कंपू और डीडी नगर अगर हम इसको एक ट्रायंगल में रखेंगे तो दैट विल बी नोन एज योर शेरी रीजियंस. नाउ अंडर द हेरेज डिस्ट्रिक्ट देयर आर सम रीजन्स कॉल्ड Sanlúcar de Barrameda, Jerez de la Cuarentena, Puerto de Santa Maria. I repeat again, please listen to this carefully. Sanlúcar de Barrameda, Puerto de Santa Maria, and Jerez de la Cuarentena. Now it is Jerez, and I'm saying Jerez. Why? Because it is looks like a J, but in Spanish language it is known as a Jerez. Okay. ये आपका स्पेन का मैप है, आपके सामने अभी आ रहा होगा. यू कैन टेक ए लुक. ये हमारे स्पेन के बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट शहर है एंड सिटीज आर देयर. So the capital is going to be the Madrid, and then there will be Sevilla, Malaga. Malaga is a place where there is a fortified wine comes. Valencia, Barcelona, the football capital, and also the Madrid is a football capital. Spain is known for lots of various things. Spain is a land of Enrique Iglesias. Spain is a land of Rafael Nadal. Spain is a land of your great quality of food that is available. Obviously, the one of them is paella that's come from the Valencia. I mean, there is a region you can see this region that's known for its paella dish. It's called Valencia. Like we have a biryani in our India, same way the Spain also have a Spanish biryani, but it's made from seafood. Okay, since it is close to the sea region, so that's why it's known as a sea area. Okay. Obviously, Barcelona is once again the greatest football clubs on the planet, and Real Madrid from Madrid. That's the expensive football club, the most expensive football club on the planet. That is called Real Madrid. Okay, right? Okay. So this is the actual Spain, and Spain. Remember one thing known as the most happiest country on the planet, because people over there never think about all this thing like मेरे MS Teams में logins नहीं हो रहा है, या मुझे पता नहीं कब से ऑफलाइन क्लास शुरू होगा, कोरोना वायरस कब तक जाएगा, कब तक वैक्सीन आएगा. इन सब चीजों के बारे में वो सोचते नहीं है इतना, बिकॉज या दैट इज द पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. इट विल बी अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ. सो दे जस्ट एंजॉय. They just enjoy whatever they got.
with whatever factor. You know, हम सोचते हैं कि if there is an enjoyment, it has to be supplemented by food and alcohol, but they always think there is an enjoyment in work also. So if they're these people are slightly mad, you know, when they wake up in the morning, if they found that the, जैसे मैं देखता हूँ डीडी नगर में, घर से बाहर निकलो तो इतना धूल है, इतना धूल है कि you will just become full. When you come back home, you feel like you are completely dust, covered with dust and all. So what happens now that they one day they decide, चलो आज की जो दिवाली है हम पटाखे या फिर फूड से सेलिब्रेट नहीं करेंगे, आज हम पूरे पब्लिक को इकट्ठा करते हैं और हम आज सब मिलके डीडी नगर को साफ करते हैं. This is the factor of Spain. It's a very, very clean and very, very beautiful city, beautiful country. When you have a time, please reach over there. All right, so that's the Spain, and these are the wine regions of Spain. Okay. Now take a look at this interesting thing. This is the triangle of the entire Sherry region. So it starts from Sanlúcar de Barrameda, Jerez de la Frontera, and Puerto de Santa Maria. So as you can see, the sea coast is here. So that's the place which is known as your Atlantic Sea. Now, once you go to this side, this is very, very hill areas. Okay, like chalky soil you will find lots of, मतलब पत्थर वाली जो soil होता है वो इस area में है. And here is the sea. So that is why all the sherry who comes from this region are very much salty in nature. Okay, so we will take a look at that. There are different quality of grapes variety. Now, please listen to this pronunciation. This is the purpose I am giving you this recorded lecture. One is a Listan Palomino. That's how the grapes looks like. Pedro Jimenez or Pedro Ximenez. Ximenez is actually the English pronunciation, but if you look like a Spanish, then it is Pedro Jimenez. Jimenez, but it actually, if you can say, it's known as a Pedro Ximenez. That's how we call it. That's how it's look like. And followed by, there is something called Moscatel. So what is a Moscatel? Looks like a white grape once again, and that's how the grapes look like. 85% of Palomino grape are used in the sherry production. The entire production is gone according to the Palomino style. Okay, right? And this is your Listan Moscatel grape. Now, Moscatel grape is a type of grape which comes from a family called Malvasia. Malvasia एक species है जहां से आपको ये grapes मिलता है. Okay, Muscat, Muscatel, ये सारे उस family के. So अगर आप Google में जाके ये type करोगे Muscatel, you will never able to find this thing. अभी आपको कभी Muscatel के बारे में नहीं मिलेगा, आपको देगा Malvasia. Okay, right? What kind of soil that you need? This is the soil. The first one is the most popular one, Alberiza. You can check a look. This is the area where the Alberiza soil comes. Okay. Then followed by, there is something called barrow. That's a heavy mud clay. मतलब बहुत ही muddy clay होता है. बारिश होने के बाद अगर आप बाहर निकलोगे तो you feels like that the entire soil is completely full of mud. That's how the soil is look like. And finally, there is something called arena. Arena is a race course ground. अगर आप कभी race course ground में जाओगे, like the one we have in Calcutta and one we have it in Mumbai, the largest race course of India, जहाँ पे when the horse runs over there, if you go, you will find this kind of soil. And naturally, remember one thing, this area of France, is Jerez district, is very, very dry. तो यहाँ पे बारिश बिल्कुल होता नहीं है. Only 53 days इस एरिया में बारिश होती है. ठीक है. तो प्रॉब्लम अब ये हो गया था, जैसे दार्जिलिंग की प्रोडक्शन करने के लिए आपको पूरे साल में 250 मिलीमीटर रेन की जरूरत पड़ती है. सेम वे, if you want to produce a grape, production of the grape, you require at least 150 millimeter rain. But excuse me, but the problem is that there is no rain in this area. And when you have no rain in this area, I mean, like there is a rain, but you cannot, but not as expected. So what these people does, they do something like called sarpias. Sarpias is a very, very interesting factor. ये आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे कैसे इन लोगों ने रेन वाटर को हार्वेस्ट किया है. देखिए, so when the rain falls, each of the sherry grape, ये सारे sherry grape plants हैं. Okay, and what they have done, excuse me. Okay, sorry. Whenever there is a sherry, okay, Now, these are the grapes, the plants. I mean, you can take a look. These are all your plants. हर plant के बाजू में they have stored the rainwater just like this, digging a hole. These holes are known as sarpias. ठीक है, समझ में आ गया होगा आपको सर्पियस का मतलब क्या है? ऐसे ये लोग रेन स्टोर, because it's a landlocked area, you don't have any access for any kind of water. ओके, इंडिया की तरह स्पेन में इतना नदी या समुंदर, समुंदर तो है बट लेकिन सी वाटर यू कैन नॉट यूज, बिकॉज सी वाटर विल स्पॉइल दिस थिंग, एंड ऑब्वियसली दिस हिल एरिया में आपके पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है rather than this. That's why this holes are dug and these holes are known as sarpias. Please keep this thing in mind. Now we got a manufacturing process. The first one is harvesting, that happens in the month of September. And uske baad, once the grapes are harvested, that has been taken and they just spread it on the floor. And the floor is very special floor. It's known as an esparato. Esparato. ये होता है आपका एस्पैरातो. ये बेसिकली एक ग्रास है. नाउ आई हैव गिवन दिस एग्जांपल इन द क्लास. जब इंडियन बैट्समैन ऑस्ट्रेलिया, न्यूजीलैंड या साउथ अफ्रीका के फास्ट पिच में खेलने के लिए जाता है तो क्या क्या करता है? आई सॉ दिस थिंग वंस आई वेंट टू ईडन गार्डन. तो मैंने देखा था एक बार कि मिस्टर सौरभ Ganguly was practicing, and he was practicing on a field which has got a very, very grass. So what they have done, they actually spread the entire mat like this, and then they grass mat, and uske upar un logon ne pani dal diya. They put a water on it, sprinkle the entire water. And even if you throw a ball just like this also, not even you walk, the ball will just go like a 150, just like a, you feel like two Shoaib Akhtars or two Brett Lee are balling you together at the same time, and that the speed of the ball is going to be like 250 or 200 plus, and they used to do a net practice in that. So this is the esparato grass, which is highly used in the cricket fields also. Okay, so they actually sprayed this one and they put some grapes on it to allow it to dry for some time. Once it's get dry, obviously a dry grape is known as your क्या बोलते हैं उसको, किशमिश कहा जाता है. And then they start the crushing करके आपका juice आ जाएगा, and then followed by they start the fermentation. Now, fermentation is a very interesting thing. Fermentation में क्या होता है? You will have a alcoholic strength of white wine that is 10 to 14%, and then उसके बाद you got this addition of grape spirit, brandy आपको डाला जाता है, and then you will get a 15 to 18% of alcoholic strength. Now, once you get this strength, what happened that new wine जो आप बन जाएगा आपके पास with a sweeter version of fortified wine, those are transferred to the, there is a new wine cask which is known as a cryderus. जैसे normal oak cask होता है, same oak cask की है, but it is known as a cryderus. It's a different thing.